So the first video, I'll be unboxing this camcorder. So this is the instruction manual. This is the remote for it, I think. This is the microphone? Yeah, it is the microphone. These are the batteries. This is the charger, probably. This is the case the camcorder goes in. And this is probably the camcorder, which it is. Comes with this stuff. Okay, yep. Don't know how to put that on yet. So yeah, this is the camcorder. And it does not turn on, or does it? Let me see. Power button. Yeah, it's dead. There's no battery in it, I forgot. Okay, so yeah, this is my camcorder, which I think was pretty cool.